In this video of the Bezi 101 series, we'll be going through how to import assets from the Bezi Assets Library and from external sources, and how to export models composed in Bezi. Let's begin with importing assets. In the toolbar, we have an asset library filled with commonly used 3D models for your spatial design project. These include couches, windows, and cars. If you wish to import external 3D assets from 3D asset stores or from 3D modeling software like Blender, make sure that the files are compatible with Bezi. GLB or GLTF, OBJ, and FBX files are supported. To import these files, drag and drop them onto your scene. Both static and animated 3D assets are supported. Dragging 2D images such as JPEGs or PNGs, which are useful for informational UI, will convert them into plain objects. We also support importing Figma files, but that's its own video, which will be covered in our Figma integration video. If you need to export your 3D models composed within Bezi to either refine or as a reference point in third-party 3D modeling software, there are two ways to do so. First is by exporting all 3D models within a scene, and the second is exporting only selected objects or groups. You'll be able to export to a variety of popular 3D formats such as GLTF, USDZ, and STL. If you're unsure of which one to pick, the most popular of the three formats is GLTF. Another function that we support is exporting to Unity. That'll be covered in more detail in our Unity integration video. And that's how you import and export assets in Bezi. Short and easy. We still have more to come in the Bezi 101 series that dive deeper into managing your assets. We'll see you there.